Take a moment, pause in this busy world.
Indeed, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest.
This verse reminds us that true peace comes only from the connection with God. This video has two missions for your soul: to bring you peace with the soothing sound of nature, and to deliver signs from the Quran that might guide your path. If this resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe to this channel, leave a like and a comment, so together we can spread light and peace. Now, close your eyes if you wish, listen to the sound of the nature, and let these signs find you.
But perhaps you hate a thing, and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing, and it is bad for you. And Allah knows, while you know not.
Life doesn't always go the way we expect. Sometimes doors close, plans fail, and we feel lost. But this verse reminds us, what you resist today might be preparing you for something far greater tomorrow. If you are watching this right now, maybe this is your sign: to trust the wisdom of God, even when you don't understand it.
For indeed, with hardship comes ease. Indeed, with hardship comes ease.
This verse is repeated twice, as if God is directly whispering to your heart. Do not give up. Every hardship you are carrying has ease walking right beside it. Your pain is not forever, and your night is not endless. Perhaps this is the sign you needed today, that relief is closer than you think.
and He is with you wherever you are.
Just like the waves of the sea surround you with their rhythm, God's presence is always surrounding you, in silence, in movement, in every breath. Even when you feel unseen or alone, you are never truly alone. This might be the sign for your soul today. You are held, you are loved, and you are guided. If this video touched your heart, if it brought you even a moment of peace, remember to give back with your like, comment, and subscription. It helps me create more spaces of calm for souls like yours. Until next time, may your heart stay light, your mind stay clear, and may you always see the signs around you.